If you're putting money in a 401k, you need to hear this right now. The 2026 contribution limit just increased to $23,500. That's $500 more than last year. But here's what nobody is talking about. If you're 50 or older, you get an extra $7,500 catch-up contribution. That's $31,000 total per year. But wait, there's a new rule from the Secure 2.0 Act. If you're between 60 and 63 years old, you can now contribute an extra $11,250 instead of $7,500. That's $34,750 a year. This is your last chance to supercharge your retirement before you hit 64. Let's do the math. If you max out $23,500 every year for 30 years, at a conservative 7% return, and that's before your employer match, which is basically free money on top. 3 things you must know. 1. Your employer match does not count toward your $23,500 limit. That's extra. 2. You have until April 15th, 2027 to max out your 2026 contributions, if your plan allows it. 3. Even if you can't max it out, contribute enough to get your full employer match. It's literally free money. Look, I know $23,500 sounds like a lot, but even if you can only do $100 a paycheck, that's $2,600 a year, which could be worth $260,000 in 30 years. Start where you are. Increase it by 1% every year. Your future self will thank you. Quick question, are you maxing out your 401k this year? Comment maxing if you are, or working on it if you're getting there. And share this with someone who needs to hear it. Let's normalize talking about money.